Beautifully. So periodically throughout the song, you're welcome to chime in on whatever feels right. I am calling in light. I call on light to help me ignite my mind, ignite my body, ignite my soul. May I illuminate whole, embrace what I will become, embrace what I will become. And I am calling in love, call in love to share and give more of. Give of my mind, body and heart. Give of my soul to hold the world unalone. Let's hear those bells. Embrace what I will become. Embrace what I will become. And I am calling in truth. I call in truth so I can speak renewed. Speak for my mind, from my body, to guide my soul with grace and control. Embrace what I will become. Embrace what I will become. And I call on joy. I call on joy so I can come uncoil. Free in my mind, body and heart. Free in my soul to let my fear unfold. Bells, please. Embrace what I will become. Embrace what I will become. Embrace what I will become. And embrace what we will become. The song is called Tea and Tarot, and it's about holding space and rekindling our light. I would like to sit at my table with your pain, your sorrow, and your love and your joy. And I would like to taste of your presence while sipping open-hearted and untangling our fire, our fire. Our fire, pausing with open hands to unfold the evidence that contains the truth of silent stillness of fear. May it not spill out, coated in the resistance of doubt, but open to the love, open to the love we carry, to rekindle your light, dear one, rekindle your light, rekindle your light, dear one, rekindle your light, and step outside the urgency of scarcity, for we are all here to hold. And how I wish to love like that. Oh, how I wish to love you like that. I would like to quantize your rhythm so you'll align against your fears and relinquish your luminous wonder, and welcome into you conscious reverence to pull you through the patterns of your past and the phrases and phases that did not serve you. Those phrases and phases that did not serve you. To rekindle your light, dear one, rekindle your light, rekindle your light, dear one, rekindle your light, and step outside the urgency of scarcity, for we are all here to hold. And how I wish for you to love like that. Oh, how I wish for you to love yourself more than anyone else, and let it overflow from your nose to your toes, drowning all your fears and woes, so you can create, so you can create, so you can create your joy now. Your joy now. And we'll align in the pursuit of purpose and find clarity in truths of the masks we were passed down to wear. Shuffling intuition, rooted deeply in heart-centered vision, emerging from the shadows of the stories and scripts that we cannot grow with. The stories and scripts we cannot grow with. Stories and scripts we cannot grow with. So rekindle your light, 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 and step outside the urgency of scarcity, for we are all here to hold. This next one is called Glow Slow. I have a lot of songs about light. In the daytime, I work as a music therapist down at Bridgeport Hospital in inpatient psychiatry, and also at Smile Up Cancer Hospital, a few of the locations there. And so I walk a lot of people through healing. I walk a lot of people through crisis. And this song just reminds me that healing is totally not linear. It all happens in our own way and in our own time. rush this unfold. We are becoming light with open arms. Our hearts perspire wonder, and we have arrived safely here on time. Glow slow, there's no time to rush this unfold. We are becoming light with open arms. Our hearts perspire wonder, and we have arrived safely here on time. And may you have a clear channel to the divine. May they teach you to love in your own way, your own time, guide you to flourish in synchronicity and nourish the secrets we're taught to obey and subscribe. So make way for the narrative, it's time to invite. You came from that light, feel your body ignite. Illuminate the energies that weigh down your soul. Hold on to your heart, let yourself emerge whole. Glow slow, there's no time to rush this unfold. We are becoming light with open arms. Our hearts perspire wonder, and we have arrived safely here on time. On time. It's hard to envision when blinded by mistruth, learning to articulate the essence of our view, but there is no good or bad, it is what it is. It's really what you make of it that helps you rise within. So glow slow, there's no time to rush this unfold. We are becoming light with open arms. Our hearts perspire wonder, and we have arrived safely here on time. It's time to just regulate the scars that we have hidden, open up and let them heal, and then we begin to see how to fill ourselves with necessity, spiritually, intellectually, tenderly, lovingly, philosophically, magically, gracefully, openly, arriving here on time, here on time. Arriving here on time. Is your heart? What do you need now? How does that feel? What glows you up now? How is your heart? What do you need now? How does that feel? What glows you up now? How is your heart? What do you need now? How does that feel? What glows you up now? How is your heart? What do you need now? How does that feel? What glows you up now? How is your heart? Your needs, your feels. Tune into your glow. Tune into your glow now. Glow slow, there's no time to rush this unfold. We are becoming light with open arms. Our hearts perspire wonder, and we have arrived safely here on time. This one's called Impermanence, and it is about celebrating that everything is temporary. Relationships and connections and moments and mistakes and joy, it's all impermanent, and we can learn to love and accept that. High on the clouds, and you are the sea. High on the clouds, are impermanence. We are impermanence. We are impermanence. And when I pour rain from my soul, will armor you adorn, or swallow me whole? Tender and delicate, tender and delicate, tender and delicate, tender and delicate. So surrender your knives to the perimeter of shade, and let shadow ignite a soft and warm